Good morning, students. Today I am going to describe about the plastics, why plastics has become a material of choice. There are certain reasons due to which the plastic is very popular nowadays. First one is plastic is light in weight. We see different metal containers, wooden container in our houses, and you can compare then that plastics are the lightest in weight. That's why they have become so much popular. Second one is strong and durable. Plastic containers are strong as well as long lasting. We can use these containers, these articles which are made from plastic for a long time. That's why we use mostly products made up of plastic. Third one is insulating property. Synthetic plastics are insulators, so they do not allow heat and electricity to pass through them. That is why electrical wires, cables are covered with any suitable plastics. Even handles of pressure cookers, frying pan, etc. All these are made up of thermosetting plastics, and that's why we are using many products which are made from plastic. Fourth one is non-reactive. Plastic do not react with any air, and even most of the chemicals do not react with plastics. So plastic is safe for storing even chemicals in laboratories and other chemicals in the houses. Even pickles are also stored safely in houses. Curd you can save in plastic container, whereas most of the metals are reactive with chemicals and these acid basic substances. So due to this reason plastic is very popular. Next one is appearance. If we talk about appearance, most plastics except bakelite and melamine are transparent or translucent. They can be colored in any color and can be given any shape. That's why due to their appearance plastic is very useful. Next one is cheaper. If we compare the rate of plastic with other articles which are made up of metals or wooden articles, we come to know that plastic products are the cheapest. That's why plastic has become, due to these properties, very popular nowadays. But due to its adverse effect, it adversely affect the environment. There are certain harmful effects of plastics. First one is soil pollution. I have written plastics are non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable, there are two types of substances, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable substances are those substances which can be decompose, means which can be converted into simpler substances by microorganism. They are called biodegradable. All the kitchen waste is biodegradable, but plastics are those materials which cannot be even decomposed with the help of microorganism in the soil. So when we throw the plastic in the soil, they cause soil pollution. Second one, blockage of drains and sewer lines. When we are throwing the polythenes and other plastic products in the drains, in the sewer lines, they will block the drains and it will cause definitely soil pollution, and it will become a breeding place for mosquitoes. Third one, deaths of animals. You know, there are many stray animals like dogs, cows. When we are throwing the food wrapped inside the polythene bags, sometimes these animals chew these plastic bags, and what happens after chewing these plastic bags, choke, or we can say block the respiratory system of these animals, due to which even animals suffer certain disease, or it may even cause a death of the stray animals. So we should not throw any plastic in the neighborhood. Fourth one, reduces the percolation of water into the soil. It means when we are throwing the plastic in the soil, there will be no drainage of water, no water will go inside the earth, and it will reduce the water table also. And last one is air pollution. When we are burning the plastic, definitely you know there are very harmful gases, there are very poisonous gases which are released in the air, which cause air pollution. So there are many harmful effects of plastic on the environment. So question arises, how we can minimize the damage to the environment due to these plastics. So I will say first one, avoid using plastic. Reduce the use of plastics. If we reduce the plastics, we can avoid the environment. Second one, use cotton jute bags. Generally we see when we go for the shopping, we are carrying the polythenes, but avoid this habit and use only cotton or jute bags whenever you are going for a shopping. Recycle the plastic scientifically. The best way, if we are using the plastic, we can recycle them. But what is the problem with recycling? However, during recycling, certain coloring agents are added to the plastics, and due to it then these plastics cannot be used for storing any food products. So and even recycling require energy, so we should minimize the use of plastic. And last one, adopt the 4R principle, means reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. Only then we can save the environment from these plastics.